Greetings to all amateur radio operators. This is Mark N4UFP with the South Carolina Section Manager's Report for April 2022. Please note that the section report and other information on amateur radio can be found at ARRL.sc.org. First, information on upcoming Hamfest in South Carolina. The Gaffney Hamfest will be held on October 22, 2022 at 204 West O'Neill Street, Gaffney, South Carolina, and is sponsored by the Carolina Amateur Radio Emergency Services. Hours of operation are 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. For more information, contact Jim Fagan, KI4MJK at 864-490-6369 or KI4MJK at gmail.com. If anyone has a Hamfest coming up in our section, please let me know, and I will include it in my next report and post it on the section webpage. I am still looking for an amateur in our section to take over as section traffic manager. An acceptable candidate for the STM appointment must be familiar with traffic handling, hold a technician class license or higher, and have full ARRL membership. The STM is responsible for traffic handling programs at the section level and preparing and submitting accurate monthly net reports to the section manager and to ARRL HQ. If you are interested, please contact me at 803-487-1115 or mtarpley@comporium.net. The South Carolina Field Organization will be doing another live stream event June 6, 2022 at 8 p.m. Our topics will be Field Day 2022 and the 2022 Dayton Hamfest. However, our panel could easily be induced to cover other topics as well. We hope to have all the usual suspects on board on our panel and perhaps a mystery guest or two. FEMA recently ran the FEMA RECCWG Region 4 and Region 6 Communications Outage Exercise beginning May 31, 2022 at 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time and ending June 1, 2022 at 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The scenario for this exercise was a cyber attack on Charlotte, North Carolina, Dallas, Texas, Miami, Florida, and Little Rock, Arkansas. Although none of the targeted cities is in our section per se, South Carolina's Chester, Lancaster, and York counties are part of the Charlotte Metropolitan Statistical Area. In my next monthly report, I hope to include a summary after-action report. The North Augusta Belvedere Amateur Radio Club provided support for the 2022 Run United Half Marathon. 163 runners completed the 13.1-mile course this year, with times ranging from 1 hour, 13 minutes, 46 seconds, to 3 hours, 12 minutes, 42 seconds. The race organizers were very pleased with the support given by the members of the North Augusta Belvedere Radio Club, and I would like to thank the members of the club who volunteered their time to help with this event. Public service and community support are an important aspect of our hobby. The end of spring marks the beginning of the sporadic propagation season on the 6-meter band. Steadily improving solar conditions will create more and better opportunities for smaller stations to work DX on 6 meters. Case in point, I recently operated 6 from grid Echo Mike 92 using 100 watts and a ZS6 BKW antenna at a height of 41 feet. In 3 days, I worked over 100 stations, including some in South America and the Caribbean. The takeaway? This summer is likely going to be a good time to get on 6. Put some wire up in the air and see what happens. Until next month, 73, Mark N4UFP.